Hello everyone. We are from GG Edward. My name is Chen Yiming, and today we will share our ISMS Edward plan from Huawei Technologies. The main goal of our Edward is to check if Huawei follows the rules of iOS IEC 27001. We also want to find risks or problems in their systems and give helpful suggestions to make security better. This is an intro adult, and we will look at two parts. Technology systems like Huawei Cloud Data Strong develops and remote access management controls like access rights, security police, and disaster recovery. To do this adult, we will use different methods. We will read the comments, check system settings, look at security logs, and talk to staff. Our adult will take 6 weeks, from planning and the data collection to reporting and sharing results with the company. There may be some changes. We may not get full access to sensitive systems and we may have limited time or staff to help us. But we will measure success by three things. First is we will cover all ISO 27001 controls. Second, our report gives clear, useful advice. Three, the adult does not disturb Huawei's daily work. In short, we believe this adult will help Huawei find and fix important risks and make their system safer and stronger. Okay, thank you.
An external isn't audit conducted by an independent third-party organization issues auditable and impartible of the result. The main object of the audit is to verify whether we complete with the ISO IEC 27001 International Information Security Management Standard. In terms of methods, we will all depart manipulate uh, a pre a praise such as document review, system inspections, and log important uh, employer interviews, as well as on-site or remote observ- observations to ensure a comprehensive assessment of security issues and at both the technicals and the management levels.
Good evening, everyone. I'm from the GG Audit team, and I'm Lai Juling, and I will briefly cover the risk assessment section of our Huawei's ISMS external audit. The first part is identifying and analyzing risk. Our work starts with the risk identification. So, what are we pretending? We must know first. We first focus on Huawei's critical technical system, like the Huawei Cloud Resources, orchestration platform, customer data storage, DevOps pipeline, remote access system, and security operations center. For the management control, the ASMS policy, access control, business continuity, and disaster recovery plans, third-party vendor management. So what could go wrong? Well, for example, cloud infrastructure faces unauthorized access threat, potentially due to misconfiguration, and customer data faces data breach threat, vulnerable due to the weak encryption. Okay, so next, risk analysis and evaluation. So how do we measure? We assess likelihood from 1 to 5 scale and the impact from 1 to 5 scale. Also, and then calculate risk level. The risk level equals likelihood multiply impact. For example, the cloud misconfiguration leading to unauthorized access. The likelihood is 4, which is high, and the impact also is 4, which is high, and the resulting risk level is 16, and is critical. So what do we about the risk once we get the result, the calculations? The first one is mitigate. Apply controls to reduce the likelihood of risk, like automatic configuration checks, regular audits, and list privilege. Now we can also transfer, like sharing risk, insurance, outsourcing security. We can share the risk to other third party. And the third is accept, formally acknowledge. For low risk, we can accept. And last one, avoid, eliminate the risky activity, which is important. Finally, the audit risk model. It can ensure audit reliability. This is a formula. So our goal is a low audit risk. And the inherent risk, Huawei's cloud environment is complex and sensitive, so the IR is high, which is 0.8. And the control risk initially assessed as a moderate, which is 0.7. Yeah? And to be verified by testing, and the detection risk to achieve a low AR, the AR must be low, which is 0.1 to 0.2, and requiring thorough and comprehensive audit. This means our audit procedures must be very rigorous. For instance, if we target ARs is 0.10, IR is 0.8, and CR is 0.7, then the required ER is approximately 0.178. Through this rigorous risk assessment, JJ Auditing aims to provide Huawei with a clear risk picture and actionable recommendations to continuously enhance its information security posture. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's go to the last part. What are audit evidence needed? We have four evidence in our audit. First, we have documentary evidence. In this evidence, we have ISMM's MS policy documents, asset inventory and risk assessment reports. Then we have observational evidence. We have access logs and CCTV footage. We should have firewall and IDS logs. We should have patch management records and backup and restoration tests. Then let's go to interviews and confirmation. In this part, we should have several workers, several different parts to control our audits, such as IT security staff for control, HR and training for ISMS awareness, and top management for commitment. And for the last part, we have digital evidence. We have penetration test reports, system config files and logs, SIEM dashboards, and encryption and certification records.